And now to formalize their candidacy for the upcoming Mr. and Miss Culture International 2024, here are the sashes to be presented by the national committee.
Yes! Woo! Sash ka na.
Yeah. My God, naiyak ako for you, Ryan. Yay! Yes!
Photo.
Alright, so let's give a hand again for our representatives for the Alright, so we'll now proceed to the question and answer to be asked by our media partners. So brace yourselves for their wonderful answers.
You may sit down.
Yes! Ano media? Ano media? Mickey? Alright. Hello, this is Pao Kanyamo. I have a question for Miss Mickey. First and foremost, congratulations for this wonderful candidate for Mr. and Miss Culture International 2024. But I have questions here. Ano po yung decision nyo or anong qualities yung hinahanap nyo at nakita nyo sa kanila na sila ang maging representative ng Philippines?
First and foremost, when I'm looking for the representative for the Mr. and Miss Philippines for Culture International, I see to it that the candidate possess the quality of a Filipina and being a queen and a king. So they possess it the qualities that I'm looking for, and I know that they can make it. They can bring home the crown. I know because of their the qualities that they have.
Yeah.
Not only the good looks but the intelligence also, and to promote the culture not only of the Philippines but also the culture, the brand of the culture international. That's it.
As well as the background na nakita nyo na agad
Yes.
sa kanila talaga.
Yes, nakita ko. The first time that Jeps Mendoza introduced me to
Right.
John Roy Marasigan, then they sent me the picture of Lemon, then I see to it that I saw the qualities in her that possess the queen of culture international, and also with Ryan. Kasi nakita ko na siya nung lumaban siya ng Mr. International Philippines. So, when he won, then sabi ko kay Attorney Manuel Dildo
Right.
and Amir na ilaban natin si Ryan. Then, coincidentally, magkababayan sila. Pareho silang Batanggenyo at Batanggenya. So, Arriba, Batangas. Ganon.
Yes.
No, I'm from Bulacan.
Bulacan. And my second question is, ano po yung dapat namin expectin for Mr. and Miss Culture? And for those people who don't know kung anong yung pageant na yun?
This is the second edition. Last year, the Philippines won the first runner-up for male and for the female. So, I hope this year na maiuwi namin ang crown.
Yes! Of course!
Ayun. Ano ba yung expect namin mga segments? Do we have swimmer also, national costumes, formal evening gown? May mga ganun din.
Yes, there is a national costume, but there is no swimsuit and swimwear competition because it's a Muslim country. So they will only wear a sportswear.
So when will the pageant be held?
The final is on June 7.
Sa June 7.
Yes.
And then kailan po sila lilipad going to Jakarta? June
We're
3.
flying on June 3
Ayun.
to Jakarta.
All right. So good afternoon. So my question goes to Ryan and Lemon Joy. So what made you decide na i-accept yung title and to represent the Philippines? Gaano kayo kahanda?
Well, since winning Mr. International Philippines, I was just waiting for my international assignment because they told me they would give me. But yeah, after a year, I lost hope already because I really wanted to represent the Philippines in the international stage. But yeah, just 3 weeks ago, I was told that I would represent the Philippines in Mr. Culture International. And the feeling was ecstatic because um, this is it. I would represent the Philippines internationally, and I know that I poured everything that I've done. I've done everything just to represent the Philippines and to give the Philippines the best representation that I could get.
To be honest, at first I really doubtful to accept it. But still, I accept this to be the Miss Culture International because actually to share being a match research student. And one of our goals is the cultural exchange of students. And I think this is a great platform also for me as a tourism student to promote the patriotism and the culture of the Philippines. And as a queen or a contestant of many different pageants, it's also one of our dreams to join also the international pageants. So I think it is a big opportunity for me and Ryan to we get
Yeah. Of course, as a candidate of Mr. Culture, Mr. and Miss Culture, no? Mr. Philippines and Miss Philippines. So, ano ba yung culture ng Philippines that you are proud of?
Well, for me, I really value family. It is something that I'm really proud of as a Filipino. We have strong family ties. I really believe that family is what first. I really love them. I think that they deserve the the things that we value.
I agree with Mr. International that we Filipinos are really family-oriented, but aside from that, I'm also proud of our festivals. We all know that here in the Philippines, have a lot of festivals here, and I want to show in different countries how colorful, how happy we are here in the Philippines.
Ano bang yung mga abangan namin sa national costume nyo? Do you have kahit concept man lang?
Well, my national costume would be Batanggenyo Frog.
So my national costume is Maria Clara and focuses on Philippines.
Dadali mo ba yung tiyanak mong natkos?
Secret.
Ah!
Baka hindi siya
Ay, iba na. Iba na yung dadalhin mo.
Ikaw ang dadalhin nyo.
Why? But I have another question. How will you explain the word Mr. and Miss Culture to the young generation?
I believe that culture is our soul. It's who we are as a person. It is how we project ourselves to other people. It's a reflection of the person that we are. That is how I would explain culture to a young person.
And for me to add more context, I think I can say the culture as the colors and connect people from different countries. Actually now we are really celebrating the cultural diversity, and I want young people to appreciate our diversity, especially when it comes to culture.
Love that. But I just want to know, what was your reaction when you heard that you were appointed for this upcoming competition?
So just like
Nag-ano ba kayo? Nagdalawang isip or pagka-message sa inyo or pagtawag sa inyo, nag-yes agad? Ganon.
just like what I said 3 weeks ago, I was told that I would represent the Philippines in the competition. At first, I was hesitant because I actually wanted to have an ample time to prepare because I'm very much hands-on with my preparation. I want to be very much hands-on. But I thought that with a 3 week preparation, I wouldn't be able to do that. But then I was pushed to because I think that this would be my last time. My last um, my last
Joining a pageant.
yeah, my last
Last year.
last chance.
Yeah.
My last chance to be able to represent the Philippines in the international stage, and I'm really I really wanted to do that. I really wanted to represent the Philippines, and yeah, I grabbed it immediately.
Like Ryan, at first, I'm also really hesitant because, 3 weeks of preparation and it's international pageant. Sobrang nakakababa. And ako, my recent pageant is the Pilipino Luzon ng Kalakal, and it's not a national pageant, so it's just a provincial pageant. But then, since they appointed me, I think this is something that I should do and push through. And I wanna give more to Miss Miki for appointing me. And I believe may nakita po silang something sa akin and they trust me, so I should return it. And ayun nga, sabi ko nga kay Ryan, susubukan namin
But how ready are you? Rate yourself from 1 to 10 to represent the Philippines.
Well, since our preparation is just 3 weeks, I think at this point I am at my 8 already. But yeah, the coming days, I think
Yes, and also eat.
Since sa Indonesia gaganapin, nag-aral na ba kayo ng language nila or ng mga culture about Indonesia? Any idea?
I only know Terima Kasih. I only know Terima Kasih, which is thank you in Indonesia.
You have to say also, Habakapa.
Habakapa.
Is how are you?
Salamat.
We work on that. We work on that in the coming days.
Salamat din.
To be really honest, wala pa ako masyadong alam sa culture ng Indonesia. Pero since 27 pa lang po, then 8, then the rest of the time po kasi focus na talaga ako sa pag-aaral ng culture ng Indonesia. And of course, culture natin.
Have you checked ba sa social media yung mga co-candidates ninyo?
Yes.
And sino kaya yung mga co-candidates yung feeling nyo na medyo matindi yung kalaban, of course. Mga ganon. Makaka-neck to neck nyo.
Unfortunately, I'm not the only Mr. Philippines in the competition. We have Mr. South Philippines, so I think he's my neck-to-neck competition.
As for me, I think si Miss Thailand. Yes. Kasi I checked her socials and nakita ko yung mga activities niya when it comes to culture, and I was really amazed with her. And I think laki talaga yung kakalaban niya. Kasi
To our national director, of course, ang dami-dami ng mga international pageants ngayon nowadays, internationally and locally. Of course, bakit namin kailangang abangan itong Mr. and Miss Culture? Of course, sa mga pageant fans, bakit kailangan ding magbigay ng attention dito sa pageant na ito, madam?
At first, sabi ko nga kanina, we won last year first runner-up. So, I personally, I want to
Claim na natin. Claim na natin, madam.
Kasi, you know, the Philippine fans and the pageant fans, you know, the Philippines is they are clamor for the new crown again. Kasi nga, di ba, may tayo sa pageant. So, talagang aabangan ito, lalo pa sa tulong ninyo. Mas makikilala ang brand ng Mr. and Miss Culture International.
Excited na ba kayo to explore Jakarta, Indonesia?
I'm excited because it's my first international flight.
yes, actually, this is my first international flight. And
I
I'm so
see.
excited.
Sisi, tanong ka naman, Sisi.
All right. Good afternoon. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'd like to ask Lemon Joy. So since you are a new face to the social media and of course to our pageant fans, how will you introduce yourself to this competition?
Again, can I
How will you introduce yourself to this competition? As the new face of this pageantry.
I think I will introduce myself as a new face in this culture international Philippines by sharing with you the see as the Miss Philippines, and also by sharing with you my commitment for cultural diversity. And yeah, I think that's how I will represent myself as the new face of this country.
All right, and of course to our Mr. Culture International Philippines, Ryan Sacopon. I know that you're a pageant veteran and you had your crown as well. What do you think is your advantage among the other candidates?
Well, I don't consider myself a pageant veteran because I've only participated in the provincial pageant, Mr. International, the national pageant. But I think my advantage is my dedication. I think that it is important for a candidate to be dedicated to one, what he does. And I think that you really want this enough. You want Mr. Culture International title enough to win Mr. Culture International.
And what learnings you had on your previous pageant that you will, bring it on this international competition?
To just go on. I've lost so many times already in Mr. International Philippines, Batangas, Mr. International Philippines. And since this is my last pageant ever, I would pour everything that I could do to be able to win a title.
Okay, for our last question. No pa. Okay. Ang inaabangan ng lahat, of course, this question is very common and lumalabas sa mga pageant question.
It's the
Yes.
question of all questions.
Yeah. The golden questions of all. Okay.
Pwede bang nakatayo?
Sige. Tayo kayong dalawa.
Siguro si ano muna?
Ano muna? Si Mr. muna tayo. Okay. Are you ready for your question? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ryan Sacopon, why you should be the next Mr. Culture International 2024?
So just like what I said, it takes bravery and dedication for a candidate to be able to win the title. I think we have those two.
How about you, girl?
About our Miss Culture International?
I should be the next Miss Culture International because I am very dedicated and love our culture, and I will use this platform to raise my passion in culture and diversity, to allow different countries globally about the interconnectedness of our countries when it comes to culture.
Right.
How about you, madam? Why should you be
The next.
the next best national director? Ryan, sample naman ang introduction. Sample introduction. Alright. Kayo tayo din. Sa akin muna, tapos next kayo muna. Kilala. Para nakatingin sa inyo.
Oh, Ryan Christopher Sacopon, Philippines.
Ito naman. Sa isa yan. 1, 2, 3.
Ryan Christopher Sacopon, Philippines.
Lemon. Dito muna, Be.
Lemon Joy, Manalo Di Mayuga, Philippines!
1, 2.
Lemon Joy, Manalo Di Mayuga, Philippines!
And of course, for the last question, ano na lang, of course, nahin natin si National Director. Any message to, of course, to all the Filipinos fans? Any message for final message? Final message.
To all the Filipino fans of the pageantry, please support the Mr. and Miss Culture in International Philippines, Brian and Lemon. Please support us to bring home the crown. Thank you so much.
Makukuha naman natin yung mga titles.
Sana!
Yeah! Sana! Of course!
Of course! Siyempre, makukuha natin yan. Sila na. We are Filipino. We are Filipinos and we are born to be king and queen.
Yeah! Oh, wait lang. Isang question na lang. Of course, runner, tama ba? First runners up last year?
Yes.
Both?
Yes.
Gano'n yung pressure? Ryan, of course, yung first runner up, mataas na dapat tayo.
Well, sobrang yung pressure, pero siyempre kung isipin yung pressure, hindi ka talaga mag-move forward. So, ang ginawa ko talaga, preparation, kahit 3 weeks lang. And I think, wala naman ang pumunta siguro yung preparations natin.
Ano masasabi na as of now, masasabi kong ikaw na yung front runner?
Well, I think it's early to say kasi hindi pa kami nakasama ng candidates. I think the real competition is when I get to the soil of the parliament. Let's see. Thank you.
How about your girl? Pressure, of course. Runner-up last year.
Yes, sobrang nakaka-pressure ko kasi imagine, first runner-up ng Miss Culture International ko, yung first runner-up ng Philippines. And, pero ayun nga, ang importante kasi yung goal natin. Yun nga, kailangan lang natin i-claim na tayo na yung sunod.
Are you the only Pinay in this competition?
Yes.
So, sa'yo, based out of Philippines. Alright. So, any message, final message?
Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Singopon and I want to extend my gratitude to everyone who supported me from this international Philippines, this competition and this institution. I hope you continue supporting us, Lemon Joy, and Miss Philippines.
So, hi everyone, my name is Lemon Joy Mayuga, your Miss Culture International Philippines. Please do support me and Ryan for our upcoming pageant, and please, we will assure you that we will get the crown.
Basta laban lang. Basta enjoy.
Enjoy the give them a good fight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy the nap and of course, John Roy will do the rest.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, thank you so much. And best of luck sa ating representative.